So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a new cartridge in this shower valve heel spell check here. And so this is the Darcy, the valve, and then of course the trim kit's right there. It's posi temp. So this was the original, and that's the 1222B cartridge you can see right there, directly from Moen. And that was the new one that Moen sent as a replacement. And unfortunately, these gaskets right here, these guys on the sides right here, sometimes when this valve's been in a little too long, or it's just there's so much calcium, these like to grab onto the inside of the rough end valve, which is made of brass. So as you pull it out, it kind of takes and strips these off and pulls them back into the hole. So there's two holes, hot and cold, and they come together, and it just shoves it back up in the hole. And of course with the posi temp valve, if there's no hot pressure, then the cold water won't come out either, so you get zero water. Anyways, those get pushed up in there pretty far. If you can get them back out, great. You know, just needle nose pliers and gently just start pulling it out. Also, you can go out front, turn the water on with the valve open, and blow all the debris out. So we've done that. There was a big chunk, about half of one of these inside. Got it out and then blew out the rest of the debris and got the water back on, and it's good. So now it's all back together. And so 1222B Moen posi temp, Darcy trim. Outside of that, this installation is done.